Alright, so if you're new to my system of learning when it comes down to organization, I put numbers in front of these videos, so this video is just to explain those. First off, go to the main channel, look for the playlist, go into the playlist. That's the number one thing. The playlist is already organized, but the numbers mean the chapters. So for example, if I have a 01 in front of that, that's chapter 1. Chapter 1 has this video, this video, this video, this, and this. Okay? If you watch all those videos, you can do the assignment. So if you're interested in actually learning this stuff and wanting to practice at it, I do put an assignment there to challenge you. But you need those videos in order to understand the assignment. Okay? And etc. and so forth. So there's 8 chapters so far, and each one has an assignment. This also allows me to do a pre-lesson where I might go into the 0000 or 0002 or 0003, and those I can explain further as time goes on how the series is structured. Alright, so I hope you enjoy, and that's how things work in the series.